Legal dictation start. Civil Procedure Code 1908, Order 21, Rule 90. Intention was to give some protection to the auction purchaser from setting aside of the court auctions full stop. However, in the considered opinion of this court, the intention of the legislature was not to absolutely bar the jurisdiction of the court to examine the irregularities and illegalities committed by the executing court while attaching the property or while ordering the property to be put to auction full stop. The courts have to maintain a balance between the rights of the judgment debtor and the auction purchaser full stop. Scale cannot be allowed to be tilted in favor of auction purchaser full stop. Stanza. Civil Procedure Code 1908, Order 21, Rule 17, Proviso to Order 21, Rule 17 CPC specifically provides that the property to the extent which is required for satisfaction of the decree is to be attached full stop. The value of the property attached shall as nearly as possible correspond with the amount due under decree full stop. A reading of the orders would show that the executing court did not even examine this aspect full stop. The executing courts are not to act in a mechanical manner full stop. The courts must be conscious of the fact that if a judgment debtor is to be deprived of his property, the court must apply its mind so that the minimum damage is to be done to the judgment debtor full stop. Stanza. Held that now in these facts, if this court applies the twin conditions precedent for setting aside the sale, it is proved that the sale of the property in dispute was conducted by way of public auction without any application of mind and without assessing as to how much property would be required to be sold for satisfaction if the decree full stop. Petitioner has not been given opportunity in the present execution petition to pay the amount under the decree full stop. Further prejudice to the petitioner judgment debtor is established as property having constructed building on it and consist of a godown, a store and a servant quarter which has been sold without knowledge of the executing court full stop. Different buildings constructed over an area of 7,000 square yards, which was sold for rupees 22.65 lakhs against execution of decree for a sum of rupees 4 lakh 27,600 full stop. Had the executing court applied its mind before ordering attachment and sale of attached property, sale of a small portion of the property would have satisfied the decree full stop. Public auction is always a desperate sale and do not fetch the normal market price full stop. Public auction is although the only method left with the court to satisfy the decree, however, it does not always represent the correct market value full stop.